Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the front shock absorber and the spring and the strut support mount on BMW E90 E91 320 X-drive. We need to loosen the two bolts on the two control arms and remove the tie rod end. We also need to remove the twist rod on the top and take out the nut for the drive shaft. We start by removing the tie rod end. Next, we remove these plastic covers so that we can get to the bolts of the two control arms. Next, we loosen the bolts on the two control arms. Next, we remove the bolt that's holding the shock absorber. When we remove the bolt, the wheel hub assembly should just slide down the shock absorber. Sometimes you might need to pry it out a little bit to slide down. Here it went down pretty easily. Next, we remove the three nuts that hold the shock absorber on top. After we remove the three nuts, we can take out the shock absorber. I don't know if you've noticed, but on this shock absorber the spring is missing. It broke and it's not there anymore. So we need to put a new spring, but we're gonna change the shock absorber because it's going down very easily, which is not right. So we're putting on new shocks, new springs, and a new strut support mount. We need to press the shock a couple of times so it starts working before we assemble everything. We've compressed the spring with this tool, the spring compression tool, and now we can put the spring onto the shock and strut support mount on top, and assemble everything in the reverse order. Now that everything is assembled, you can remove the spring compression tool and assemble the shock on the vehicle. Thank you for watching. If the video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel.